Welcome, everybody. Let's read Galatians, the fourth chapter and the fifth verse. This will be the amplified um, version. But when the proper time had fully come, God sent his son, born of a woman, born subject to the regulations of the law, to purchase the freedom of, to ransom, to redeem, to atone for those who were subject to the law, that we might be adopted and have sonship conferred upon us, and be recognized as God's sons. Now, this is going to be the easy to read version. But when the right time came, God sent his son, who was born from a woman and lived under the law. God did this so that he could, by the freedom of those who were under the law, God's purpose was to make us his children. Don't we serve an awesome God? He thought of us. He didn't send somebody else to do it, as in it could have been a human being other than the way he sent it. It could have been animal, anything he could have chose, but he chose to do it himself. He came down to redeem us. Welcome everybody to my channel. I am Reba Renee. I will be sharing some things with you that I'm getting ready to get rid of because tomorrow is trash day and it has to go. Yes, it does. And I wanted to go in a timely manner, y'all. This is what I have on today on my lips. I don't know y'all because anybody know me and y'all watch my channel for a while. Y'all know I don't do color, but I wanted to try this and see how it would be. And I don't know. I guess if I had a lighter complexion, you would see more of it. I'm not sure. But because I guess of my lip color, natural lip color complexion, it's not maybe not showing up as much, but this is going away. You can see that big gap right there. I am using it up, y'all. I usually use it in the house. I have it near my bathroom vanity because I want to be able to put something on my lips after I brush my teeth for the night. I want to be able to apply something to my lips, so I have this sitting right here. I wonder if you can clean it out, sterilize it, and reuse it. If I could put something else in here, I wonder. Hmm. Because this is a lip oil. Do y'all have it? How do y'all like it? This is going to be a video about my empties, y'all. I'm going to get right on into it. This is a product that I recently tried, but I was introduced to seaweed by my husband because of sushi and didn't think I was going to like that, but I did. So then my daughter comes in with buying it for her son. She said she was introduced to it some kind of way, in a different way, I guess you could say, besides sushi. And whatever it was, she liked it, so she started giving it to her son, and her son likes it, which is my grand. This is Kirkland seaweed. This is organic roasted seaweed. And y'all, this is a nice snack to have like at night. You're trying to watch your calories. You're trying to eat something that's more on the nutritious side, not a bunch of sugar. This I thought this was a nice snack. This is how it looks. Y'all, it is so good. I would eat it now, but you're probably going to see it as I continue to talk all over my mouth. I think this is a lovely snack for nighttime or any time of the day. You just have to be careful because I notice when I eat it, I end up having it all over my mouth. It's on my teeth. You're probably gonna see it all from everywhere. So it can be sort of messy inside your mouth. So that is the reason why I say I don't know if it'll be somewhere for to eat out somewhere as a snack, but indoors I think it's great because you'll be able to rinse your mouth out. This is the bag that it came in, and I think it was a total of six, but that's the last one. So we had a good time eating it, y'all. So something to try if you're looking for a nice, healthier alternative. Okay, I don't have. I think that was all the food that I had, y'all. But I'm gonna go still keep it with oral or something you not swallow, but that you put in your mouth. This is Equate brand Glacier Mint Fresh Breath Oil Rinse, and it's an instantly targets bad breath germs. It is dentist formulated, no artificial colors or flavors, no burn. This sort of gave me a little burn because of the mintiness of the flavor, but not a burn like you would a regular mouthwash. And it is alcohol free. This is compared to TheraBreath, Fresh Breath, icy mint flavor. This is nice, and it doesn't cost as much as TheraBreath. I'm happy for the fact that someone tried to get a cheaper version of this, an affordable version. They also have a green one. I forgot which one that was, but I have that as well. And when my husband and I was looking for it, we couldn't find it in stores, so we ordered online. And I'm so happy that we were able to try it, and we like it. This is Saltwater Breeze, y'all. I finished this. I wanted to finish this. I have some creams, moisturizers, if you want to call it, whatever shape, form, or size. I want to complete them before they expire. And this is one of them. It was nice. I use it in my hands. I am not gonna cut it open, y'all. I'm gonna let it go. This and I had it upright, so I got a lot out. I squeezed some out earlier today, trying to keep my hands moisturized. This is fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, white musk. To me, I don't know. I guess it was like I guess you could say a summery, like aquatic or oceany summertime fragrance. I thought, but cute packaging. I remember they brought this out. I forgot what year. Was it 2022? But anyway, it is done. I have marshmallow pumpkin latte, y'all, done. If I see it this year, while I get another one? I don't know because I think I have one more left, and we will go from there. I'm trying to wind down what kind of pumpkin scent I would like because I at first I didn't have any, and now I have this. So yeah, I do like it. I traded in the other pumpkin fragrance, the popular one that comes with a candle that I have. I had to turn it in because no, my husband was not feeling that. And sometimes some things are not meant for it to be worn. It is meant to have as an aroma or scent in your home, but not to wear. But I did like it, y'all. But I thought I was gonna be able to wear it around the house, but he was like, no. So this is Eucalyptus Rain. He didn't like this scent. It was okay to me, but I understand what he was saying. It was something at the end, whatever that note was at the end. Feel free to check out what I don't notes I don't share, y'all. Feel free to check them out online. He didn't like it, and I can understand why. It was something at the end of this fragrance, and I guess it was the rain note. I don't know, but it didn't work out for us, y'all. But we finished it. This is cedar and suede. He didn't like this either. I thought he would like it because it's more of on the masculine, woody side, but he didn't care for that. I thought it was the other one that I shared with you in the last video of my empties, but this is the one, cedar and suede. So it smells good. It's nice and woodsy and spicy, but he didn't like it. The next one is a candle. This is hemp and wild vetiver. He liked it. It was okay to me, but I don't know. I think it was okay. It was seemed like it was just as good as this, but he liked it. I have snowy coconut frost. This probably would be something that I would not repurchase if I remember. I probably would not repurchase this, but it's a nice light coconut scent. It burned. It did what it had to do. And sometimes I will have that sootiness because we put the lid on when we get ready to go and it is not taken off. And I do notice that some wicks end up giving me that mushroom effect, and I don't like that because you have to like constantly cut it or cut it with each burn. Some of them I don't. And I'm not sure if this one did it, but it went down real low, y'all. I think I got my money's worth. This was a 75% off candle. I think it was around the $6 price mark. This is iced coconut, white birch, and warm vanilla. And I had another candle. Okay, here we go. This is one of my favorite candles from Aldi, and the reason why I did not get Bath and Body Works cranberry woods, I think, fragrance. So this is holiday cranberry, girl. This is nice, honey. If you want a candle that will give you a throw, if you have a burner, a warmer, put it on there. Put it on. Yes. This is how it burned. You can see how much wax is left. I can put this on a warmer and I can continue to burn this, y'all. This thing is nice. Yes. And I did enjoy the fact that this candle did not give me that mushroom effect, and I don't care for that. No, I do not. Yeah, holiday cranberry, and it is a lovely, affordable candle. Around four is under $5. This one is champagne toast. I was able to finish this. Yes, y'all. I have several of them, but it takes me a little longer to finish these sometimes because I do have other means of cleaning my hands when I'm out and about, like in my car. When I get back in my car, I use sanitizer, and it may not be this, so it takes me a little longer. This one is First Sight. It's on the lighter side. I know it smells good though. Of the Yeah, what is it? Refills. Oh, why can I not say it, y'all? The wallflower refill. This is Kaleidoscope. First sight was Italian bergamot, rich woods, and sugared musk. It's on the lighter side. This is Kaleidoscope. This is cedarwood, clean musk, pink pepper. So we finished that one. Let me see what else I got, y'all. This one. This is my lip smackers. This was nice. This was one of my favorite ones, blueberry ice pop flavor. This was nice, y'all. And this was the color. Sometimes you've seen it when I would put it on when I go to do my videos. I didn't usually take it out anywhere. I tried to get out as much as possible. Then I was like, that's enough. I used it in the house because me digging in here and I'm out and about and I have touched things. No. But it was nice. It glides on. It was very moisturizing. I enjoyed it. Here they go. These are mahogany coconut. This is creamy coconut, mahogany woods, English lavender. And I still have some juice, so I might put it on my tea light and let it burn from there. This is comfort vanilla patchouli. Y'all know this is one of my favorite. That was good. That's done. I have my deodorant, Original Suave. This is one of my aluminum free out of the three, and I just purchased one from Victoria's Secret, so I'm gonna check that out and see if I can have four alternatives for aluminum free, affordable because that was $5. They had a $5 sale, and that was included, y'all. Because I did not want to pay, what was it, $19 and some $20 for deodorant. This is personal care body wash from Dollar Tree. This is limited edition jelly bean scent, and it was lovely. Nice lather, affordable body wash. This was Super Berry. Yes, this is by Pink Boosting Body Wash. It is an everyday body wash. I enjoyed it. What lather it had. Yes, yes, yes. Freeman Cleansing Peel Off Gel Mask. This is something I usually like to use to help me to get off the impurities or whatever that is on my skin, on my face. And I like to see what comes off, if it is actually taking things off that need to come off my face. I do try to exfoliate. I don't do that too much because I do have dry skin, but I do like to exfoliate at times, and sometimes like to use this to make sure that I'm getting off that excess skin. And it is, let me see if I can show you what it looked like. If you can see some of it. So it's like a gel, and then it just dries up, and you'll just see like your face just stiffen, and then you just peel it off. This is Dove limited edition treat holiday treat peppermint bark. Y'all, I finally used it. I remember somebody saying it was like pasty. I think it's like that because they do have a creamed moisturizer in this product. That is why it is like in a pasty form. But I do like it. I enjoyed it. I didn't have to have it like just dripping all over the place when you have like some scrubs is falling elsewhere and not being applied to your skin. Yeah, I don't want it just going down the drain. I haven't even, massaged it in. So I feel like you can have more control with this type of body scrub. And it was nice. It was lovely. It wasn't a loud, overbearing, scented, minty scent. So I thought it was lovely, y'all. And I do have another one, and I hope to use it now that um, Christmas ends. Now we can look forward to 50% or more off on products. And this is what I'm hoping to catch. Yeah, something like this and some of those other holiday treats. You all be blessed, and I hope you are using up your goodies. Yes, because semi-annual sale starts tomorrow. I will catch you all in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know you stopped by. How about a fist pump? Yeah, if you have that. If not, give me a heart any color you choose. You all be blessed.